ట్రిగర్ నొక్కగానే మర్చిపోవడం. నిద్రపోయినప్పుడు నా కల్లోకి నేను చంపిన వాళ్ళ ముఖాలు రావు.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So first of all, many happy returns of the day to Junior NTR sir.
Yeah, happy birthday NTR sir. May God bless you and live a long life.
Right, so on the eve of his birthday, they have released a glimpse from his next movie,
Dragon. Wow, the name is very much interesting. And the movie is written and directed by Prashant Neel and music is given by Ravi Vashrur. Okay, so I think this is going to be so good because Ravi Vashrur ka music, it's amazing, out of the world kind of lagta hai mujhe. And along with NTR sir, we have Anil Kapoor also here in this movie.
So he will be villain, I guess.
Yes, I think he will be villain. And the movie is will be having the grand release on June 11 2027. Matlab next
27.
year.
I was thinking after a few days.
No, this is only the glimpse. I think maybe they have started the shooting or something like that. It would be very interesting to know more about this film. And back to back बहुत सारा videos भी release होने वाली है, right? Trailer, teaser, video songs and whatnot. So let's get started. Let's see the Dragon glimpse. उसके बाद बात करेंगे. But उससे पहले if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe us and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
ఇట్స్ ట్రూ. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు భారతదేశానికి కాటన్, స్టీల్ మరియు స్పైసెస్ కోసం వచ్చారు. కానీ 250 ఏళ్ళు వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడే ఉండిపోవటానికి కారణం ఒక మొక్క. దే కేమ్ హియర్ ఫర్ ద ఓపియం పాపీ విచ్ ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ ద మోస్ట్ అడిక్టివ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్, హెరాయిన్. ప్రపంచంలో ఓపియంని అత్యధికంగా పండించేవి 2 ప్రాంతాలు, ఆఫ్ఘనిస్తాన్ మరియు గోల్డెన్ ట్రయాంగిల్. బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళు వాటిని ఆధీనంలో ఉంచుకొని 95% ఓపియం ట్రేడ్ని కంట్రోల్ చేసేవారు. In 1947, when the British left India, they also left behind the most profitable business in the world. దాంతో ఆ వ్యాపారం 2గా చీలింది. ఒకటి ఆఫ్ఘన్ ట్రేడింగ్ కంపెనీ, మరొకటి గోల్డెన్ ట్రేడింగ్ కంపెనీ. అప్పుడే ఓపియం వార్స్ మొదలయ్యాయి. అప్పుడే ఈ విలన్స్ పుట్టుకొచ్చారు.
Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. On the first day, God created light.
1967. Hey.
On the second day, He created the sky and the water. On the third day, He created the land and the vegetation. And on the fourth day, He made the sun and the moon and the stars. On the fifth day, He created the creatures in the sea and the birds in the sky. On the sixth day, He made the animals and the humans. And on the seventh day, God rested. And then
God of feelings.
And then
somebody came after that, right?
Yes.
the devil was born.
Dragon is here.
దేవుడు నాకు గొప్ప వరం ఇచ్చాడు. ట్రిగర్ నొక్కగానే మర్చిపోవడం. నిద్రపోయినప్పుడు నా కల్లోకి నేను చంపిన వాళ్ళ ముఖాలు రావు. మిగిలిన శత్రువుల ముఖాలే కనపడతాయి. పొరపాటున కూడా నా కల్లోకి రావద్దు.
నా డౌట్ ఏంటంటే జలీల్ సాబ్, ఈ మొక్క హెరాయిన్ కంటే ఎక్కువ విలన్స్ని తయారు చేస్తుందా అని. ఈ కథలో అందరూ విలన్లే ఉన్నారు.
ఆ రాసేవాడికి కూడా తెలుసు విల్లన్ల ఘోరాలు ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు కథలోకి ఒక హీరోని దించాలని. ఈసారి ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ మీదే సార్, మీరే అవ్వాలి.
होने
ये
वाले
होने वाले हैं, हाँ, इस पार्ट 1.
2027 में रिलीज होगी मैन.
I think this is not a glimpse. It's kind of like trailer
Story,
only.
story.
They have portrayed the story. It is
Correct.
having the touch of British India that time.
Right, and
When they
drugs,
used to
war.
produce opium, and they used to
Distribute,
from India to several countries for the profit. You know, they are making a lot of profit out of that, and you know they kill so many people also on this business, right? So I think
बिजनेस ही ऐसा है कि जहाँ पे किलिंग एंड ऑल
Killing and all तो
it
रहेगा
will be
ही.
normal, right?
So wow, and they have like brought up this concept. I really love that, and I think a lot of killings would be there, action scenes would be there, blood splashes scenes will be there. So this is going to be very interesting, I
Right.
think.
Actually, this was giving
Yeah.
the vibe of Salar and
a lot of
KGF,
movies,
right?
actually.
It was giving.
It was
because
giving
it is
me
coming
that
from the same
vibe.
director, right?
Yeah,
So-
yeah. That
and
vibe
also
was there.
background music. That was
Yes.
suspense build up kind का जो म्यूजिक था वो
Yeah.
मतलब मजा आ गया देख
I
करके.
told, right, Ravi Vasur sir is genius. He knows how to, you know, play with the music and how to
सीरियसली
make
जूनियर
that
एनटीआर सर
difference.
का जो कैरेक्टर है उसको और बड़ा बना देना.
और बड़ा बना देना,
बॉलीवुड वार 2 में देखिए कैसा बना दिया था, राइट?
Yes.
यहाँ पे देखो कैसे ये बना रहे हैं प्रशांत नील सर, राइट? ये बहुत बड़ा कैरेक्टर बनाने वाले हैं
Yes.
एनटीआर सर का. इनका फैन बेस और ज्यादा बढ़ने वाला है ये मूवी की वजह से.
I think मतलब उनका एक ऐसा charm है, right? Like India sir is having that charm. You know, he can be like poured in any kind of character. If it is a romantic kind of hero character, he is very good at that. If it is a action, you know, angry young man kind of character, warrior kind of, that is also he's super in that.
But I seriously
so I think he is
I
very
like
much
his character in kind of where there
suitable
is
for all.
aggression, where there
Yeah.
he can fight, he can show aggression.
He's show
Romantic
aggression,
a little bit it's fine, but for
Yeah.
aggression and this kind of
Perfect.
the movie
Yes.
is perfect.
Right.
Because his you have seen his temper movie and all different movie where he can perform action very well.
Very
The
well.
expression, the anger expression, whatever he used to give.
Such a fine actor,
that
you know.
is a lovely.
Yes, he's such a fine actor and he's a gem. And definitely coming back to Anil Kapoor sir, he is marvelous. We all know that he is like, you know, he is genius from the beginning.
Right.
So people have learnt a lot of things actually from him, Anil Kapoor sir, and I think he is playing a major general kind of,
Correct,
you know,
correct,
police kind of role, which is very much suitable in him
Yes,
again.
of course. He's
So
he's
all the
kind of
characters
lean
are
body,
blending
right?
very
And
well.
Is he the main villain
Villain
character
or
or
what?
somebody else
Uh-huh.
is also there? Who is
Yes.
main villain character? It's all
Yeah,
about time.
It's all
we'll
about
get to
time.
know.
We'll get
right?
to know. And Rukmini Vasant, she is also booming, right? In all the movies, I think she will be a common face, and she is so. I think talented. Like we have seen already the Kantara second
Yes,
part,
of
right?
course,
We
of
was like we were astonished
Right,
to
right.
see her performance. So overall it's a great glimpse and we really liked it. And yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our reaction. If you do so, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.